Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The local coin of EOS, an open-source blockchain stage that empowers the making of decentralized applications or dApps. It is a huge entertainer in the cryptosphere. EOS's essential adversary is believed to be Ethereum, or so they thought. Regardless of the amount more famous Ethereum is, specialists know not to confuse ubiquity with greatness. Specialists really view EOS as enjoying a benefit in light of its accentuation on speed, adaptability, and adaptability, or so they thought. Moreover, EOS truly expects to resolve issues with scant organization assets, fake exchanges, comparable solicitations, spamming applications, and different issues. The thing that's coming down the road for the people who are confident that the cost of EOS will rise? Get more familiar with EOS and cryptographic money exchanging now. What is EOS? EOS, crypto. One of the most well-known digital currency projects right presently is EOS, which was made to resolve the issues that actually exist with Bitcoin and Ethereum concerning adaptability, speed, versatility, and low charges. EOS runs all-alone blockchain convention called EOS.io, which generally was made explicitly to beat regular handling and equipment stockpiling, among other cool things, for its own in every way that really matters, savvy contract stage for decentralized applications, dApps. The principal EOS beginning coin offering, ICO, began in June of that very year after makers Brendan Bloomer and Dan Larimer made their white paper accessible to the general population back in 2017. It raised a surprising $4.1 billion throughout an extremely entire year, breaking all past eco records. EOS is a disputable cryptographic money when contrasted with different coins, it ought to be noted. Be that as it may, in view of its weighty innovation, it additionally offers the best long-haul development potential. If the EOS blockchain convention figures out how to work on the inward methodology in various organizations, as guaranteed by the undertaking's planners, it could profoundly basically adjust the fate of all dApps and PC assets. Provided that this is true, the coin's cost will increment altogether over the long haul. EOS, Crypto Fundamental Analysis, as opposed to prevalent thinking. There are 1,029,909 local EOS coins in the entire stock of EOS. As per market capitalization, EOS by and large is currently among the top cryptographic forms of money with the most encouraging long-haul prospects and anticipated development in a quite enormous manner. EOS plans to fundamentally accomplish 100,000 exchanges each second, contrasted with Ethereum's ongoing 15 to 30 TPS, procuring it the moniker Ethereum Killer. EOS started as an ERC20 token in view of Ethereum notwithstanding being a Ethereum killer, yet it in the long run presented its own mainnet. The way that block is the EOS cryptographic money token's kind of head designer is one key viewpoint that is every now and again ignored. CTO Dan Larimer is one model. Evidence of stake and decentralized independent associations, or DAOs, really were both made by Larimer, who has been named the Bill Gates of the blockchain business. He likewise assumed a vital part in the foundation of the digital money organizations BitShares, Steemit, and Graphene. As per Larimer's inclusion and backing, EOS has kind of long-haul market potential, which will in every practical sense, significantly affect long-haul EOS cost gauges. EOS crypto truly current price. EOS is right now worth $1.86. EOS has moved 12.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,018,598,900. EOS is right now positioned 33 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,701,352,920 using the very relative strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD. From the graph above, we can decide cost designs for EOS, to conclude whether it will have a bullish or negative year, which is genuinely critical. EOS Crypto Price Predictions. The exchanging pairings EOS/USD and EOS/BTC are utilized on all digital money trades to exchange EOS. Every one of these exchanging pairings is agreeable to specialized investigation, which yields particular results. Bitcoin and other cryptographic money resources, similar to EOS, oftentimes move pair, however they can likewise wander and move contrary to each other. Therefore, experts currently essentially approach a great many instruments for making cost projections, distinguishing value objectives. From there, the sky is the limit. EOS Price Prediction 2022, in opposition to mainstream thinking. EOS, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, EOS, in a fundamentally significant way. The EOS cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2.79. Similarly, as within every practical sense, other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.60 in cost explicitly is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. EOS sort of is supposed to truly have a genuinely least worth of $2.23. EOS Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, EOS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of EOS will soon fundamentally outperform $4.65. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the EOS's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, or so they thought. Taking into account the market unpredictability, EOS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.72 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.09, in spite of mainstream thinking. EOS Price Prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6.51 and EOS might benefit amazingly. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met, or so they certainly thought. EOS is supposed to exchange at a fundamentally normal cost of $5.95 and an extremely low of $5.58 in 2024. EOS Price Prediction 2025. On the off chance that EOS effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the EOS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EOS will be somewhat green in 2025. The EOS generally is supposed to basically reach and in every practical sense, outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $8.37, with an extremely least cost of $7.40.